Hello everyone, good evening. In this video today, I want to teach you how you can prevent stroke. How you can prevent stroke. So what you need to prevent stroke is this. This is ogede in Yoruba, or also called plantain. It is ripe plantain, and this is, you can see it where I cut it from. This is a other part of the plantain where I've gotten this from. Now, apart from plantain, you need what is called atari. Atari, this is the atari, the back of the atari, which I bought from the market, and I've cut it and I've put it here. So what you do is, this is the plantain, so you touch the plantain on the atari so you can see it how it is now, and as it is, you bring it to your mouth and then the atari together with the plantain, you chew it. So you keep eating it like that until you finish eating the plantain. Get the length of the plantain. So the atari is pepperish in the mouth. You eat it with the plantain. So I'm touching another one. I've taken another touching another one, and you can see the atari with the plantain. So as it is, then cut it, and then you eat it. So you keep eating it until you finish the plantain, the ripe plantain. When you finish it, that's all. So you do this as the opportunity comes for you to do it. Once you do it, stroke will not have any way in your system. So this is for those who do not have stroke at all. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. But if you have stroke, how are you going to be able to make money as you should? So I have to teach you how to prevent any infection that can lead you to not being able to make money. God will protect us, and I learned this from the elders. Respect to the elders. Try it and you will be glad you did. Bye-bye.